Olfaction, or the sense of smell, is the process of creating the perception of smell. It occurs when an odor binds to a receptor within the nose, transmitting a signal through the olfactory system. The olfactory receptor neurons are incorporated into a limited region of the nasal epithelium in the superior nasal cavity. This region is referred to as the olfactory epithelium, and contains bipolar sensory neurons with dendrites extending from the apical surface of the epithelium into the mucus lining the nasal cavity. The olfactory epithelium consists of a layer of olfactory receptor cells, supporting cells, and basal cells. Odorants dissolve in the mucus layer and contact the cilia of the olfactory cells. Axons of the olfactory cells penetrate the bony cribriform plate on their way to the central nervous system. Smell is difficult to research because any given odor may be made up of hundreds of different chemicals. Humans can distinguish 10,000 or so odors, but research suggests that the olfactory receptors are stimulated by different combinations of a more limited number of olfactory qualities. Dissolved odorants stimulate the olfactory receptors by binding to receptor proteins in the olfactory cilium membranes, opening cation channels, and generating a receptor potential. Ultimately, an action potential is conducted to the first relay station in the olfactory bulb. The transduction of odorants uses a receptor linked to a G protein. Odorant binding to the membrane receptor protein stimulates the G protein, which in turn activates the adenylyl cyclase. Adenylyl cyclases synthesize cyclic AMP, which binds to specific cation channels. The binding of cyclic AMP induces the opening of cation channels and the influx of sodium and calcium. The sodium influx leads to depolarization and impulse transmission. The calcium influx causes the transduction process to adapt, decreasing its response to a sustained stimulus. The axons of the olfactory neurons extend from the basal surface of the epithelium through an olfactory foramen in the cribriform plate of the ethmoid bone, and into the olfactory bulb, located on the ventral surface of the frontal lobe. Collectively, the axons that pass through the cribriform plate are called the olfactory nerve. From the olfactory bulb, axons project to structures within the limbic cortex, including the cortex in the temporal lobe associated with long-term memory formation. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos in future. Thank you for watching. Bye.